Chris Rodinas, Research Analyst for IT Creations, and today we will be looking at HP's Z420 workstation. The Z420 will surprise you with its high-end capabilities and performance, all fitting inside of a small chassis with an even smaller price tag. The Z420 uses Intel's powerful Xeon E5 2600 or E5 1600 processors brought together with the Intel C602 chipset to enable the fastest throughput between components. You can equip this workstation with 64 gigabytes of ECC unbuffered DDR3 RAM at speeds of up to 1600 megahertz. There are 3 internal drive bays inside the chassis that can take SATA, SAS, or solid-state drives. The onboard SATA controller can take 2 6 gigabits per second SATA drives or up to 8 channels of SATA at 3 gigabits per second. The controller supports RAID levels of 0, 1, and 10. For SAS drives, an add-in SAS controller is required like the LSI 9212-4i. There are 2 PCIe GEN3 X16 slots, a PCIe GEN3 X8 slot, 1 PCIe GEN2 X8 X4 slot, 1 PCIe GEN2 X4 X1 slot, and a legacy PCI slot. For graphics cards, you can use Quadro GPUs like a Quadro 6000, and when used together with a Quadro 600 or a 2000, a Tesla card such as the C2075 can be used for high-performance computing. The power supply for this system is a 600-watt, 90% efficient PSU that is very energy efficient. On the front of the Z420 are 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 FireWire port, and microphone audio ports. There are also 2 5¼ drive bays, and in some models, a handle on the top optical bay in place of a 3rd drive bay. On the rear, there are 2 more USB 3.0 and 4 more USB 2.0 ports, audio ports, PS2 ports, an RJ45 port, 1 FireWire port, and 1 serial connection. The Z420 weighs roughly 39 pounds at its maximum configuration and measures 17.6 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 17.5 inches deep. Like the other HP workstations, the Z420 supports Windows 7 and the new Windows 8, as well as Linux Red Hat Desktop or Enterprise. When you need to balance performance and cost, consider the Z420 as your next workstation. That's all for HP's Z420. For more information on this workstation or others like it, visit us online at itcreations.com or give us a call at 800-983-5318. I'm Chris Rodinas for IT Creations, and we'll see you next time.